What's up, y'all? Don't call like that. What's up, y'all? BriannaMagic9, and yes, I am here to do a Valentine's Day look for you all. This is right around the corner. But first of all, I want to say Happy Black History Month. Period. Also, I want to say I didn't post anything in January because January was a busy, hard, difficult type of month for me. Okay? Kobe Bryant, the whole situation was just had me really down. I was really sad for like that really did something to me. And then to make matters worse, his daughter and everybody else that was was in the accident, it's just I can't even imagine, you know what I mean? So that really had me down. Also, my grandmother has been in the hospital, but she's coming home Friday, so thank you, Jesus. Thank you. And me and my sister has been working on our brand, Magic Creations. We have been trying to build it, and we have something coming big soon, very soon, like next week soon. Yes, I did this look for y'all because I know y'all been missing my tutorials. So don't even act like y'all been missing my tutorials because I know y'all been missing my tutorials because I know y'all been missing them. I did a tutorial on, y'all like my jacket, Fashion Nova. I got it on a Black Friday sale. Anyway, this is for Valentine's Day, as I said, and I used some chunky glitter. I got this glitter from looks like this, comes like this, 12 in a pack, all different type of colors. I got it from Amazon. So it has chunky and like loose small glitter in there. So enough explaining why I've been gone and all that stuff like that. For the most part of the other months that I've been gone, so I just been working, you know. That really does take up your time, and I really do hate that, but you know what, it's fine. And throughout those 4 months of me not being on YouTube, I have bought a lot of makeup. I'm not gonna show everything up in this video, but I'm gonna show most of it. I think I went palette crazy. I don't show all my palettes, but I got way more than I showed in the video. And I will be doing like an updated eyeshadow palette collection video because that video did really well on my channel. So I'm gonna be doing an updated one. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And comment any type of videos that you want me to do in the future. And I will consider doing them. I really will. I really love how this look turned out, especially with this jacket. Especially with this jacket. Ooh. See y'all in the video. See y'all in the tutorial. I'm gonna take the LA Colors Browy Wowie. Alright, LA Colors. Brow pencil in dark. I got this from Dollar General. It was like $2-3, I wanna say. And I'm gonna use the Believe Beauty brow gel. This is some good brow gel. I'm telling y'all. Go get it. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Brow pencil in dark brown. Yeah, just for the ends of my eyebrows. So I did pick up a couple new concealers from Shop Miss A. I got most of them. Like, y'all think I'm playing, I did get most of them. I got a whole bunch of them. Only because I do makeup and, you know, I need a variety of different colors, you know? You know, if y'all want me to do a review on, you know, Shop Miss A makeup again, like a full face, because I think I got enough stuff to do a full face, I think. But if y'all want a full face of Shop Miss A makeup, let me know because Christ, our songs on my wall. Let me know because I will be willing to do that for you all. But I'm going to take the Shop Miss A concealer in Numb Neck. I'm going to carve up my brow. foundation and mocha. This is the one I've been using lately. And chestnut also. I'm gonna mix that. And that's my brow. I'm gonna come back with my other brow finish. And I think one of my eyes finished because I need to figure out what I'm gonna do first before I even try to like get on camera and waste my memory. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with my other brow and one of the eyes done, and then I'm gonna show you how to do the rest of the makeup. So I created this look. It's glittery. I got these glitters from Amazon. I'm gonna show you how I got this look because I kind of like it. Because I don't really wear glitter like that. But you know, it's Valentine's Day, so we're gonna get into it. So ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. This is one of the new palettes that I have gotten. I got this during Cyber Monday from the Crayon Case. It's the matte book. Has a lot of different colors in there. And the first color I'm gonna go with is the purple color. The deepest purple color right here. So now I'm going to take this Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. I don't know if I talked about this. I think I did a look with this in my last video. But this is kind of new too, but I didn't really talk about it, but I just used it. I'm going to go in with this purpley color. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this pink color. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this orange shade. We're gonna cut my crease with the Shop Miss A Porcelain Concealer. Take this color down here at the bottom. It's like pink, orange, rose gold color. Now the Festival palette, we're going to take this color's called, I have no idea how to pronounce it, but we're going to take this color. Then we're going to take our purples and, put it back on the outer part of the cut crease. Now, I would say this, be careful with some of these purples because they do stain the eyes. I know the Zulu palette purple, it stains my eyes every time, even if I do put, concealer on it. But it's such a good, rich purple, it'll eventually come off. It's not going to stay stained forever. I'm going to use the NYX Glitter base And if you want extra hold, I don't want extra hold because I'm gonna end up taking this off in like 2 hours. You can use some lash glue, some clear lash glue. First, I'm going in with mocha, and then I'm gonna blend it out with chestnut by Believe Beauty. These foundations are $5 at Dollar General, and they work hella good. I'm gonna be using the Believe Beauty foundation brush today. This is a good foundation brush. One of my favorites, besides this Real Technique one, this one. So let me tell y'all something. I did get the wrong color of this Juvia's Place foundation. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm gonna say 150. The number is 150. So now I use it as a concealer. I'm gonna go back and forth with the sponge, this concealer brush from e.l.f., and my foundation brush. So now I'm going to go in with the chalk dust. I just recently got this in December. Used the chalk dust in a little while. I'm going to use the dark to deep and the medium to dark in these contour palettes. I'm just going to be taking the contour shades and the sculpt shades out of both of them and just setting the rest of my face. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with this. This is called Glow, and it's by Glam Glow. For lips, I've been liking to use this NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Xenon, and this Profusion Cosmetics Sparkle Lip Topper with this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate. This is the finished look. It came out bomb. Okay, bomb. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I've been gone a while and I need to do more, so you're gonna have more makeup tutorials coming, everyday life stuff, different type of videos coming. I do want to start doing fashion videos, like over my clothes and stuff, so be looking forward to those type of videos as well this year. I want to be doing another Valentine's Day look, so keep on the lookout for that. So you should just go ahead and subscribe and turn your post notifications on. I mean, it's free to subscribe. I mean, all you gotta do is be paying your Wi-Fi bill. I mean, come on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and leave some comments down below what type of videos you want from me in the future, and I might do some of them. And yeah, love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye. And also follow me on Instagram at BriannaMagic to see some pictures of this look. Okay, now I'm done. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.